And this rain getting hot out here. Holy son of a flying fuck. Oh, you piece of crap. Okay. There we go. Here's a weird thing though. It's kind of thin over there. Really thick over here. Huh. Yikes almighty. Here's the funny thing. A buddy of mine about 2 miles away just sent me a message saying he just watched a wall of water just pass over his yard and it just quit raining. But everywhere else it's raining. It's raining across the street from his house. But it's not raining in his yard. Woo, look at that lightning. Beautiful. That was beautiful. Ooh, that thunder. Oh yeah. Yush. Thunder and lightning. Deep thunder, holy shit. And look at the flags over there, they're about to come off the poles. There was 4 flags over there, now there's only like 3. One already took flight, like big time took flight. It's gone. Oh man, I'm getting water in the face, and I'm sitting a good ways back. Good enough ways back. Yeah. Let's get some water on the fucking camera lens and shit. Oh man, look at how thick it is now. Dude, look at that. It's getting worse, like a waterfall. Like the fucking roof is pissing. What the fuck? God almighty. Every day. Nothing but fucking rain.